Hi everyone. So let's see how to install Packet Tracer. Okay. So Packet Tracer is a free software and you need to go to this website netacad.com. But what I recommend you all first make Cisco account. So you can go to cisco.com and you can go to this website and try to create account here. So once you create account here, obviously you get a username and password for it and try to log in with the same username password. Okay. So like this, I'm logging into this. And by the way, this is Windows 11. I hope you know Windows 11 is coming already. So C1 SC0. This is like you can install for your VMware as of now. It is not available to boot with the computer. So I have logged into Cisco website right now. You can see I have logged in. Okay. And this is my company name and you can see a logout here. It means I'm already in. And now you can refresh the Netacad website and you can see you have to log in. तो आपको इधर already फिर भी log in करना होगा. So you have to log in here and use the same username password. So once you log in here, go to resources, download Packet Tracer, and then you will see this Windows desktop version 8.0. And if you are using Mac and Linux, you can download it from here. So I'll click on Windows and it is going to take few 2-3 minutes. Pinku for one. So it is almost downloaded here. And yeah, so I need to click here on the Packet Tracer and it will give you prompt. Yes, I accept. Next, 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 next. These are the most easiest steps ever in Windows. Next, next, next. Okay, so the software is already getting installed. And remember your username and password for Cisco website. Okay, you can write down in your mobile also if you have tendency to forget your passwords. So would you like to run multi-user application? So you can ignore no or you yes, whatever you want. So I'll say no. Multi-user means if your friend also using your laptop and you want to do Packet Tracer or something. So it is asking you like we have two options. Like we can use a guest mode or something like that, but I'll not take guest mode. I'll put my username. Okay, so once you sign in, most of the next time it will not ask you username password, mostly. So this is your workspace. You can increase the font if your screen is not visible. You can go to preferences in options and you can increase the size here and the icons, everything is on bigger size. Okay, you can see here. So everything is visible. You can have a router here. So all the things are here. So this is how you install Packet Tracer. And if you try to open the Packet Tracer next time, okay, it will not ask you username password. Okay, so this is how you install Packet Tracer. Thank you for watching.